Wait. Oh my God!
Hey, what happened?
Can you help me?
Meanwhile,
let's go!
Come on!
Transform! Please here, keep calm.
Transform. I'll lift everyone to safety.
transform!
It's action time!
I'm coming!
Get ready for action.
Hello?
5 minutes later.
Hey!
Water blast, go!
Awesome!
Come on!
Oh yeah!
You guys build bad bridges like that?
What did you just say?
Thank you!
There is nothing to thank.
You were just saved by them. If not, you are the one that just fell.
Sorry.
Please read the signs carefully before proceeding.
I apologize.
Team, get ready for action. Okay already.
Okay, I'm back!
Bye, have a great time.
I have learned from experience.
Don't endanger yourself and affect others.
I'm sorry.
Goodbye!
Be careful, your weight.
Oh my gosh!
It's so hot.
The fan is exploding.
Oh my God!
Bing bang! Emergency! Calling the rescue team now.
5 minutes later.
It's action time!
Transform!
Firefighter, ready to roll.
Transform! Messy again. Oh dear.
Transform. Tow truck ready. Transform. I'll take care of everyone.
Transform! Please here, keep calm.
1 hour later.
We'll build giant windmills to cool everyone down.
Lifting the poles now.
Let's go!
Yo!
Come on!
10 years later.
Hey!
Cooling the ground with water.
Five minutes later.
Digging the foundation holes.
Hello!
Cement is coming.
I'll clean up the construction site.
Here we go!
Let's build clean and sustainable energy together.
Come on! Come on!
Oh no! Train is coming!
Help! Hey, what happened?
Oh my God!
Meanwhile...
Team, get ready for action.
Let's roll out. Transform! Please here, keep calm.
Transform! I'll lift everyone to safety.
Transform! It's action time!
Stop here, let's start the rescue.
Hey!
Let me help you.
Oh my gosh! Come on, you can do it!
Oh yeah!
Thank you.
Hey!
Amazing!
Luckily, you guys arrived in time.
Oh yeah!
You fix the road, I will separate traffic. Do not enter this area.
Okay. Let's go! Here, here! Okay already!
Good job.
Please take another route.
Let's get started. I come here. Pouring cement, glug, glug, glug. Five minutes later. Finally done!
Go, go, go!
Bye, have a great time.
Goodbye!
For a safer journey.
Let's go!
Meanwhile...
Hey!
Hey, hey! This TV will be mine! What?
Who stole my TV?
Let's get out of here!
Stop right there, thief!
Ah! A chicken!
Phew! Almost hit it.
Yeah, I'm back!
Oh no, I'm stuck too.
Oh my, what happened here?
Help me!
Quick, let's rescue them. Be careful. Sorry, let me try again.
Come on! Come on!
Let's go!
Whew. Thank you so much, friends. Must clean and refresh the road.
Hello, we need road repair right now.
5 minutes later.
We are here to help! Be careful!
Let's go!
Time to build a concrete road!
A few moments later.
I come here!
Much later.
All done, the brand new road is ready.
Stealing is quick, but trouble is quicker.
I'm sorry, everyone, I won't do that again.
Goodbye.
Bye, have a great time.
All week long.
Subscribe to the channel for more fun adventures with the vehicle team. The crane is whistling happily and digging hard below. Working hard is awesome.
Stop.
What? Oh no! The train is coming fast! Always be careful when near the tracks.
Unbelievable.
The truck falls right into the track. That's super dangerous.
Hey, help me.
Everyone falls into the hole. Total chaos.
Let me help.
Oh no! Oops! The crane flings the pig away in panic.
Calm down.
We need rescue. The crane hurries to rescue the truck. Helping friends is the best thing ever.
Come here.
Everyone gets loaded up, but safe and sound.
OMG, I have to call for help.
Let's go!
All the vehicles are sleeping.
Hey, help me.
What's going on?
I need materials to build new rails.
Okay, let's go.
Hurry up.
Let's fill the trucks with gravel and get to work together.
Must have a lot of stones.
The crane joins in to carry gravel. Teamwork is so much fun.
So hurt.
So sorry. It is full.
Go, go, go!
The materials are ready. Let's all head to the construction site together.
Let me.
The big truck dumps gravel into the hole to fill the road.
Next to me.
More gravel. Let's raise the road strong and steady.
Flatten is my case.
The roller smooths the road perfectly flat.
I will make it more sure.
The crane packs the gravel tight. A strong road keeps us safe.
Almost complete. Fighting.
New rail pieces are coming in, placed carefully one by one. Let's install the traffic lights and signs. We must follow the rules on the road. Ta-da! The new railway is ready. Awesome job, team!
Wow, it's so great.
The foundation must be strong. The new road is durable.
Hello, everyone. Have a wonderful day filled with peace and joy.
Just a little prank.
Oh no, so shaky.
OMG! What just happened?
What?
Is someone trying to destroy the police base?
Oh
My house.
Oh no, the base has been destroyed. But look, the police officer doesn't give up. He's already finding a way to rebuild his home. Everyone here is peaceful and joyful.
Guys, please help me rebuild. Let's do it. I'll bring bricks. I'll bring sand. I'll pour the base. I'll lift the roof. Let's go.
Okay!
The construction team is on the way. Let's see how they rebuild the brand new police base.
Great.
Okay!
Bricks here.
This time they're making it stronger and safer, even using bricks for extra support.
Okay!
Here's the floor. Pour the cement.
Look at that! Such professionalism. Working together always brings the best results.
Okay!
Smooth it out.
La 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 la.
Okay!
Careful. don't forget to subscribe. I'm here.
Okay!
Wow, amazing. Put up the sign.
Wow, the new base is finished, and it looks amazing. Hard work truly pays off. Look how happy the police officer is. This shows us that no matter what happens, never give up hope.
Thank you so much.
Okay!
Gotcha. Please let me go.
Don't play with fireworks. It's very dangerous.